respected leaders, partners in fellow countries, makakalukasang hapon sa Pilipinas. I stand before you today with deep gratitude and humility because this recognition is not just an award. For accomplishing a project or organization, it is an award for a movement rooted in the belief that when communities are empowered, forests can grow. And when forests can grow, hope grows with them. Community-based reforestation is more than just tree planting. It's about restoring the balance between people and nature, between development and responsibility, between today's need and tomorrow's future. Advocacy marketing gave us a powerful voice to tell this story, not through slogan, but through the life experiences, not through promises, but through impact. We learned that marketing, when guided with purpose, can inspire action. It can transform awareness into participation and participation into scholarship. By placing communities at the heart of our advocacy, we did not just ask people to care, we invited them to belong. Farmers become forest guardians, youth become climate leaders, corporations become partner in regeneration and not just donors. These award affirms that sustainability is the strongest when it is shared. That climate action is most effective when it is local, inclusive, and rooted in dignity. And that reforestation succeeds not because of how many trees are planted, but because of how many lives are engaged in protecting them. To every community member who nurtured SUV, to every volunteer who planted under the sun, to every partner who believed that advocacy can drive real environment change, this honor belongs to you. Let this award remind us that marketing can be a force for good, that storytelling can heal landscapes, and that together, through community-based reforestation, we are not just growing forests, we are also growing sustainable future. Thank you, Philippine Marketing Association, and thank you, our advocacy continues to plant hope where it is needed the most. And to end, to this speech, advocacy marketing is an effortless marketing. Thank you.